The Masked Singer Season 6 premiere is right around the corner, and HollywoodLife is exclusively revealing one of the new costumes, the Skunk. Get ready for a whole lot of glam when the Skunk takes the stage on The Masked Singer. HollywoodLife can exclusively announce that the Skunk is a new Season 6 costume, and we have your first photo of the sassy Skunk. The glamorous Skunk is dressed in a black velvet dress with white fur detailing. The Skunk has got some competition this season. The previously announced costumes include Dalmatian, Cupcake, Hamster, Mallard, Queen of Hearts, Bull, Beach Ball, Baby, Octopus, and Jester. The Masked Singer continues to take costumes to a whole new level. The series is adding some changes and twists in Season 6. The contestants will be split into two groups, A and B, who compete until there is only one left standing. Then, the finalist from Group A and the finalist from Group B will go mask to mask in an Ultimate Championship finale. Related gallery. The Masked Singer Season 4, photos. The Masked Singer is also introducing the Take It Off buzzer in Season 6. The panelists, Ken Jeong, Robin Thicke, Jenny McCarthy, or Nicole Scherzinger, can hit at any time during each group's run if they are certain they know who the person on stage is. If they are right, that celebrity must unmask immediately and exit the competition. If they are wrong, the celebrity does not unmask and there are dire golden ear trophy consequences for the panelist. The Season 6 contestants have a combined 85 Grammy nominations and 27 wins, 3 Academy Award nominations, 12 Emmy nominations, 12 Razzie Award nominations, 2 Super Bowl appearances, and 2 Lifetime Achievement Awards. The contestants are stacked this season. The Masked Singer returns with a 2-night premiere event on September 22nd and September 23rd at 8 p.m. on Fox. You can also get a 30-minute sneak peek of the new season, including the final costume reveal, after the Fox NFL Sunday doubleheader at 8 p.m. on September 12th.